Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Welcome to the fascinating world of digital entrepreneurship. Imagine the freedom of being your own boss, the flexibility to work from anywhere, at any time. The internet opens the door to countless opportunities, allowing you to generate income even when you sleep. Yes, passive income is real and attainable, however, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are pitfalls to watch out for. Unfortunately, the online world is also a breeding ground for scams and false promises. It requires a keen eye to distinguish genuine opportunities from fraudulent ones. Moreover, the freedom it offers demands discipline and self-motivation. It's a world where your success largely depends on your efforts and perseverance. The journey to making money online can be exciting, challenging, and sometimes overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do I start making money online? There are countless ways to make money online, but today we'll focus on three main methods. The first method is selling products or services online. This can be anything from selling homemade crafts to offering professional services. For example, if you are a talented artist, you can sell your digital artwork on platforms like Etsy. If you have a knack for writing, you can offer your services as a freelance copywriter on sites like Upwork. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you can start right from the comfort of your own home. Next, there's affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This method is great for those who have a considerable online presence, such as a blog or a social media following. Let's say you have a fitness blog. You could promote fitness products or supplements, and every time someone purchases using your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You make money by simply sharing products you love and believe in. Lastly, there's making money through online surveys or testing websites. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. By taking online surveys or testing out websites, you can earn a bit of extra cash. For example, websites like User Testing pay you to test out different websites and give feedback. While this method might not make you a millionaire, it's a simple way to earn a little extra on the side. While these methods can be profitable, they require time, commitment, and sometimes an initial investment. Each method has its pros and cons, and what works best for you will depend on your skills, interests, and the amount of time you're willing to commit. But remember, the key to making money online is patience and persistence. So, start exploring these methods today, and who knows, your online money-making journey might just be a few clicks away. To succeed in making money online, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. First and foremost, do your research. Understand the ins and outs of the platform you're using, whether it's a blogging site, a freelance platform, or a selling app. This will help you navigate the digital waters with confidence. Next, set realistic expectations. It's easy to get caught up in the success stories of people making six figures overnight. But remember, those are the exceptions, not the rule. Be patient and persistent. Success often takes time. Staying motivated is also crucial. There will be ups and downs, but don't let the lows demotivate you. Instead, use them as learning experiences to improve. Finally, be cautious of scams. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always verify information and stay safe online. By keeping these tips in mind, you can increase your chances of successfully making money online. Making money online can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it is entirely possible. Today, we've touched on the potential benefits and challenges of earning online. We've learned that this path is not without its hurdles, yet the rewards can be substantial. We discussed three key ways to make money online: offering freelance services, selling products, and affiliate marketing. Each of these avenues offers unique opportunities and requires distinct skill sets. The beauty of the online world is that it's vast and versatile, so there's something for everyone. We've also shared some crucial tips for success. Remember to research thoroughly, create a plan, and persist in the face of adversity. Don't be afraid of failure, but see it as a stepping stone to success. Remember, the journey to making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay motivated, and keep learning. Good luck. Follow the link in the description to find out what programs work best for us.